This looks like bamboo artwork, but it's actually a Canva photo effect. Let's make it. Start from opening your Canva and then choose a project size. For example, I will choose social media, Instagram post 4 to 5. Now let's prepare all the elements for the design. First, I will add the bamboo. I will turn it into a portrait size. And I have to download it, but because this is a pro element, we can directly download it. It has to be at least 2 elements to download a pro element. So I will duplicate it and place right on the origin and then download it. Alright, now remove all these 2 elements. And then I will add this Japanese kimono girl and remove the background. I will place it here. I will increase more. And then I will add this silhouette element of a Japanese castle. I will place it here. And I will add this text. And I will place it, I will increase the size and place it here. I will add a white outline, so I will change the background to other color first. And then select again this element and go to edit, scroll down to shadow and click see all. I will choose outline. I will change the color to white. I will increase the size. Okay, and then increase the size. I will move the castle to the right a little and increase this girl like this. And then I will send the castle to back. Okay, now I will download it. Click share. Download with transparent background and then click download. Now remove all these elements and then upload the 2 images that we just downloaded. Select the bamboo for first and then click apps. Type here blend, enter, and click this blend image icon. And click use selected image in bottom layer. And then select the second image. And on the top layer, click use selected image. You can choose multiply here or darken. But I'll prefer the multiply. Okay. And then remove all these elements and add to design. So now you have it. And if you want to add more texture, just go to edit, adjust, and then add the contrast. Scroll down to sharpness and add it. Okay. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.